Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. As you can see, it is a huge week. A record-setting 16 packages of items to unbox. But first of all, let's see who the lucky winner of my October combo giveaway is. See, I sent myself this email October 2nd. The lucky number is 121. All right, out of 500. Let's go ahead and go to the video in the comments. Start from the top. He must be a new subscriber, Robert Troidier. Okay, he didn't participate. Chino Cakes, I think he won last time. But better luck next time. Sophia Luna. Whoa, 125. That's only 4 away from 121. Final Cheetah Shane, long time subscriber. Okay. 115. Oh, that's kind of close, but nope. 25, 349, 350. No, 231. No. Big shout out Bobby Fike. Trevor Jacks, shout out to you. Good luck in college. Grant Pointer. No. Dominic Rico, no, long time subscriber. No, so it looks like the lucky winner is Sophia Luna. Go ahead and shoot me an email at jroproduction@gmail.com and I'll send those comics ASAP. So once again, the lucky winner is Sophia Luna. Hit me up in the email. Alright, let's go ahead and get started. It's going to be, I don't want this to be a super long video. And by the way, I want to make some changes or additional features to my upcoming unboxing video. It's going to be Q&A, so you can ask questions, but let's keep it professional and keep it classy, guys. Of course, I'm not gonna tell you my social security numbers, stuff like that. All right, and also I'll dedicate it to shout outs. So you want to shout out, just hit me up in the comment section and I'll give you a shout out next time, like I usually do in my food reviews. That way, while I'm unboxing stuff, it can make it more interesting. Do they really need to ship it in a long box like this? At first I thought it was another sword. What is this? What is this? Tiger Smart Aquarium LED light. Oh, I've always wanted one of these LED lights for my aquarium because right now it's just using halogen. No, what do you call that? Iridescent bulbs, something like that. Fluorescent bulbs. This is going to come in handy. I wonder if it has different colors. Okay, let me see what this one is. Rotai Shiatsu foot massager. Beautiful that one is, guys. Yes. Whoops. There goes my this is the microphone that I use. Power device. So I really like it. So you guys looking for like a microphone like that for starting a YouTube channel or doing your vlogs? That is an affordable brand and also dependable. All right, and what's in here? What is this? All right, Zico. This is a fiberglass carrying bag. Yeah. At first I thought this was like one of those that you hold for boxers or MMA, like some type of bag, I think. Okay. Put it off to the side. Continue on. You know what? I feel like I need to upgrade my YouTube studio once again. So we'll see if anything in here would be suitable for that. Because how do you guys like my setup, by the way? How would you like to see it improved? Oh, what is this? Automatic aquarium water change. Oh, snap. Currently, I'm using the old style where you use a siphon, you know, suck into the tube to manually remove it. And this is automatic too. This is going to be super useful because it's nasty every time I touch those tubes. Ooh. Oh, what is this? Oh, right. I needed one of these tables for my downstairs home theater. This is going to be nice. All right. I think the Uber is a brand. Okay. Let's see what this. Oh, what is this? This is quite heavy. Wait, make sure this doesn't fall. This is. What is this? 3-in-1 multi-functional dumbbell, barbell, and kettlebell. Oh, snap. I always love reviewing gym equipment because I exercise. I work out like 5 days a week. Look at this. This is a very cool design. So I'm gonna put that off to the side too because this is heavy. Well, probably like 40 pounds. I think it says right here, about 22 kilo. Yeah, so right under 50 pounds. Okay, let's see what this big box is. Let's make it Q&A and also recommendations or suggestions, you know. This one is kind of heavy too. What is this? Oh, snap! Nordic lifting ever since I started my YouTube channel. Way back when I did their wrist wraps, I think. This is Nordic lifting battle rope. I've always wanted one of these battle ropes in my home gym. Now I finally have it. So big shout out to Nordic Lifting. And by the way, they are a local Seattle company, so check them out and support local stores, especially if you're big into workouts. Check that out. Man, this vest is getting me warm, a little bit warm, but it's connected to my microphone. Hold on. I'll take this off. Mind me. There we go. Make sure that's recording too. Yeah. All right. What is this right here? Whoa, that store really sent me a lot of stuff. They're anxious to work with me. I call it Wave Maker. This, I think my fish will enjoy it. It's like a machine that makes turbulent waves in your aquarium. It adds an extra level of coolness to it. So let me answer this question that some of you new subscribers may have. How do I get all of these free products? I see that quite a bit in the comment section of my unboxing videos. It's because I am, first of all, a YouTuber, you know, with a good reputation, pretty good subscriber numbers, even though I feel like I should be already at 100K, but we'll get there at some point. And I'm also mainly a product tester, you know, because my profession is a mechanical engineer, design engineer. So when I look at the design of a product, I want to analyze and study it, how it can be improved. So I work with the companies, tell them suggestions. That's why I'm a product tester and evaluator, right? Oh, what is this? Mini wireless game controller mouse keyboard combo. I wonder if this would be compatible with my PS3 or PS4. I've always wanted one of these because I'm getting sick of typing, you know, using the controller. It sucks. It's time consuming. And I would try to do more food reviews for you guys, but except I'm just trying to save some more money and eat healthier, you know. Oh, snap. This is a very cool item right here. Pen nuclear radiation detector. A radiation detector in the form of a pen. So I can think of a cool intro and a story to review this. So think of that movie. What's that movie called? You know, that Russian, I forgot. But anyway, you know about the nuclear reactor that shut down. Chernobyl, there it is. Yeah, so maybe I'll go into the lines of that. Hey, this box looks a little bit opened. I hope there's still something in here. What is this? Oh, my bad. So check that out. This is actually the Coach sunglasses, the birthday present for my wife. So actually it's only 15 items, alright? So maybe I'll do a quick unboxing of this, but I don't know. So it's actually 15 items. So it's not a record setting, it's actually record tying. If memory serves me right, 15 is the one. Oh, yes. Now I can upgrade my YouTube studio. Hexagonal gaming LED panel. Check this out. These light up, change colors. You can put it in any form you want. So imagine if I put it back there, Yeah, it's going to be amazing. Yes, love that. In case you're wondering, yes, since I'm averaging about like, I don't know, like 12 items a week, 10 or 12 items, I am kind of behind on my review. So I try to do like two easy reviews every day, but if it's more difficult, like installing a ceiling fan, of course it'll take longer. Oh, a gaming headphone. Look at how beautiful this one looks. Look at this. Gaming headset, yes. Even though I haven't been gaming lately because I'm so busy with travel, YouTube, and yeah, Amazon and all that stuff. Working out too, because my workouts take like 2 hours. Oh, Nyla Video's upgraded, updated computer speakers. Look at this, beautiful. Okay, so we got 2 more boxes to go. I just don't want this to be super long. Why, they wrap this up like crazy. Service alert, lithium battery. I think I had a sign for this, and it was delivered by DHL. This is the first time I ever got a video from DHL delivering something. That I definitely download that video because I might do a new rendition of my battle delivery service battle review. Man, what is in here? Why did they wrap it up like they're shipping like gold bricks or something? Jeez. What can this be? That's so important. So it has battery, so it's got to be electronic, right? I'll make sure I don't cut myself with this because it's super sharp. Okay. I see 12 volts. See the 12 volts. Some type of cordless tool, electric tool. Man, it has a smell to it. Maybe it's a box. Autocraft cordless polisher buffer. Oh snap! Maybe I'll do a test on my phone because it has a crack on it. I mean, some not cracks. I mean some. What do you call that? I can't think of the term. Some blemishes, you know, some scratches. How can I not think of scratches? I didn't get a good night's sleep. I think I got like only a couple hours. That's why I'm not thinking properly. And lastly, this is adjustable ankle weights, 10 pounds. All right. Always want the ankle weights. So stay tuned for my upcoming review. It's going to be very exciting. We got a lot of tools and sports equipment and also electronics. Thanks for supporting my channel and make sure you click on the subscribe button. Take care of yourselves.